Institute for Certified Investment Banking course, and I have learned about capital markets, business like equities, derivatives, bonds, and banking on financial system. Apart from this fund accounting chapters, I have also learnt about NAV calculations, NAV errors, reconciliation, front office, back office, and middle office operation work, and financial modeling. I've learnt about the ratio analysis, IPO modeling, and teachers here are very good. They are interactive. They clear doubts. I recommend those who are looking for their career in investment banking should join HMCM, HICM Institute.